Hi, it's me, Eli, again, and I'll be doing level 5 and 6. Greetings, neighbor. The name's Crazy Dave, but you can just call me Crazy Dave. Listen, I've got a surprise for you. But first, I'll need you to clear your lawn. I don't know what that first word is.
Use your shovel to dig.
Oh, use your shovel to dig up those plants. Let the digging commence. Okay, goody. Now for the surprise. We're going bowling. Here, take these walnuts. Take this walnut. Why'd I put a walnut in your hand? Because I'm crazy. Now go bowling.
Go bowl me a winner.
Go bowl me a winner. Oops, wrong spot. There we go.
Dad, what are you cooking?
Spaghetti.
Aww. Meatballs? Too?
No meat sauce. There's no veggies in it.
Yeah, I don't want any. I don't want any sauce.
You're a worthless sauce.
You can't force it. You can't.
Let's just start calling you softwood.
There's nothing wrong with me not liking sauce.
No, there is something wrong with it. There's no other veggies in it.
Okay,
Lots of meat.
my dad is cooking dinner, and him and my brother are having an argument.
No, some things I understand being picky about.
This is the potato mine.
Not so much.
See,
Fine.
I'll show you. Potato mine. Potato mine. Next level. I wonder what zombies there's gonna be. Ah! What's here?
Kind of like being a
Pole vaulting.
Gabe.
He's the pole
Is it
vaulting guy.
really a crime to not have me like sauce?
They're still having an argument.
In this house,
Really?
when your daddy is me, the fattest guy ever because of spaghetti.
No, you got because it's sweet.
You think so?
Yeah.
You really think it's because of sweet? That's funny. I thought you were going to say I'm not the fattest guy ever. But you didn't say that, which means I
You're
must
still
be.
not the fattest guy ever.
Well, I don't know. Because you didn't say it at first. I might be.
Okay, you're not the fattest guy ever.
I'm gonna hold this again.
And you're eating sauce. Wait.
Why?
Because there's no other veggies in it. It's just the same thing as pizza.
Okay, could I have pizza?
No. You get noodles with sauce on it.
Oh, is that exactly like pizza?
Yeah.
Noodles and sauce. Can you tell me?
Yeah, bread and sauce and cheese. That's pizza. Bread, sauce, cheese. That's spaghetti.
EA Sports. This game.
You have a taco shell.
No, I don't.
I'll just have a pizza taco then.
No. A pizza taco or a taco pizza?
Pizza taco. Sauce, meat, and cheese.
No, we don't have taco shell, so you have to have it on noodles, which is our bread tonight.
What if you ever make meatballs?
I do. They just take a long time to make, Gabe.
That's why you don't make them.
That's why I don't make them as much. It's because they're a lot harder to make than just meat sauce. Not this time. No, you're not.
They're
No.
still
I'm
arguing.
making dinner right now. Go through the meat around if you want to help.
As you can see, I put a little potato mine up there to make ham jumpos. Now, when a normal zombie or Kona goes right here, they'll explode.
So it's perfect for skinny too. Hey, no snacks right now.
We're out of snacks.
No, we're not.
Yeah?
I bet I could find 5 things that you could have for a snack.
Prove it.
Okay.
Find 5 different things right now.
Okay. Hang on.
Hello, everyone. I'm Brad Nessler, and beside me in the booth is Kirk Herbstreit.
My dad.
Aaron Andrews is also with us. She'll be reporting from the sideline.
My dad is playing a football game on
One
the
time it's failed.
TV. It's HD. You know how adults are.
That is the Paul Bunyan band. Huh? Because it is. Every year, when the Gophers play Wisconsin, the winner gets to take Paul Bunyan back.
I wish nobody would have talked or nothing was on when I ever did one of my videos.
Oh, it's ass!
And I guess that wraps it up for this video.
No, it's axe. A-X-E.
Bye. Oh, and you can see this is also the snow piece. Bye.